When it comes to healthcare, quality and safety aren't just buzzwords. They're the backbone of the entire industry. That's why international standards like ISO are so crucial for medical devices and pharmaceuticals. They make sure that what's on the market is not only effective but also safe for patients everywhere. Let's break down a few of the big players here. ISO 13485 is the gold standard for medical device quality management. It covers everything from design and development all the way through to production and what happens after a device hits the market. It's all about making products you can trust. Then there's ISO 14971, which is all about risk management. This standard helps manufacturers spot potential hazards and deal with them before they can cause trouble. ISO 9001 is another big one, more general but still powerful. It's all about creating a framework for quality and continuous improvement, making sure companies never stop getting better. And in a world where data is everything, ISO 27001 steps in to protect sensitive info. Think patient records, clinical trial data, or confidential research. Now, you might have heard of GMP, Good Manufacturing Practices. Not an ISO standard, but a set of strict regulations that keep pharmaceutical manufacturing safe, clean, and consistent. Sometimes companies combine these standards into one seamless system. That means better efficiency and less hassle. Imagine ISO 13485 and ISO 14971 working together, or ISO 9001 paired with ISO 27001. The result? Safer products, happier patients, and a big boost in trust and reputation. Curious about certification? USQC can help with auditing, training, and certification services. Check out the USQC website to learn how these standards can transform your business and keep healthcare safe for everyone.